Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the 7th chapter of Value Education. The name of the chapter is Save Trees, Save Life. So let's begin our chapter. Plants are very important for us. In fact, we cannot live without plants. Plants give us many things. Most of the food that we eat every day comes from plants. So as we all know, plants are very important part of our life. We cannot live without plants because plants give us so many things. All the food that we eat every day comes from plants. So we get rice, wheat, maize, fruits, vegetables, spices, tea and coffee from plants. Plants also give us fibers to make clothes. Cotton and jute plants give us fibers for clothes. We get timber from big trees which we use to make doors, windows and furniture. Plants also give medicines. Garlic, neem, tulsi, cinchona, etc. all some plants which are used to make medicines. Plants also give us wood to get heat. We should cut only the dry parts of a tree for wood. Moreover, plants make air clean and fresh. So students, plants give us so many things like rice, wheat, maize, fruits, vegetables, spices, tea, coffee, etc. Plants also give us fibers to make clothes. We also get timber from big trees which we use in home for making doors, windows and furniture. Some plants are also used in medicines like cinchona, tulsi, neem, and plants also give us wood that we use for heat. In winter we use heat and we use that wood comes from plants. We should cut only dry part of the plants. Plants also make air clean and fresh. So plant gives so many things. Now let's read a story. A woodcutter named Ratan lived in a small hut. He was very poor. He had 4 members in his family. His wife used to work in some nearby houses and earn a little money. Ratan had 2 daughters. He loved his family very much. He used to go to the forest to cut old and dry trees and sell the wood in the market. Sometimes he wouldn't get old and dry trees and came back empty-handed. He did not like to cut green trees for the sake of money. So this is a story about Ratan who lived in a small hut in a village.
When
He is a woodcutter. He earns his living by cutting dry trees
you cannot
in forest,
understand it, but
and when
if
he
you
didn't
want
find
to know,
any
then I can
dry
explain
forest,
you.
he came
Actually,
back home
we
empty-handed,
inhale
but he
oxygen.
never cut
Inhale
green
means
trees.
breathe in.
His wife
And
also worked
exhale
in some
carbon
nearby
dioxide
houses and
means
earned a little money.
breathe out
Ratan
carbon
had 2
dioxide.
daughters
The
and he
green
loved
trees
his family
absorb
so much.
carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
Now, next is one day when he came back without wood from the forest, his daughter said, "Dear father, why did you not cut any tree today?" Ratan said, "I cut only dry trees which are of no use. Dry trees are to be cut one day or the other." So one day when he came back home empty-handed, then his daughter said, "Dear father, why did you not cut any tree today?" Then Ratan said, "I only cut dry trees, but I never cut green trees for the sake of money, because dry trees are of no use. Dry trees are to be cut one day or the other. That's why he cut only dry trees." The second daughter, who was listening to her father, instantly said, "But father, I know many people who cut trees even when they are green." "Then why is it that you don't like to cut green trees?" Ratan said, "My dear daughters, do you know that green trees are essential for our lives? They make the air pure and fresh. In the absence of green trees, we shall not be able to breathe fresh air." So, uh, when first daughter was talking with the father, then the second daughter asked, "Father, I know many people who cut green trees. Then why you don't like to cut green trees?" Then Ratan said, "Green trees are essential for our lives because green trees make our air fresh and pure. When there will be no green trees, we will not be able to breathe fresh air. Also, green trees make our environment clean and fresh. So, green trees are very necessary for our life." Now, the second daughter said, "What is fresh air?" Ratan said, "You are too little to understand it, but I shall tell you if you want to know. Actually, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. The green trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen." The first daughter interrupted, "Oh father, we don't want to go into its details. Please tell us the importance of trees in short." Ratan said, "Okay, listen. The trees make our environment healthy and check floods. They give us many things." So, then when they were talking, then the second daughter asked, "Father, what is fresh air?" Then Ratan said, "If you are interested to know about it, then I can tell you. Actually, we inhale oxygen. Inhale means take in. We take in oxygen, and exhale means
Breathe out. So when we exhale carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide absorbed by green trees and they release oxygen and make the air clean and fresh. Then the first daughter interrupted, "Father, we do not want to go into details. Tell us the importance of trees in short." Then the Ratan said, "Trees make our environment healthy and clean, and trees also give us so many things." So both the daughters said, "Now we understand the importance of trees. In fact, trees plays an important role in our lives." So children, you should also understand the importance of trees. You should not harm the plants in any manner. Instead, you should grow more and more plants in and around your house. So, plants are very necessary in our life. They give us so many things. You, you all must realize the importance of trees in your life. You should also grow trees and you should not harm them because trees give us so many things. So children, I hope you all understand and enjoyed this chapter. Thank